To acquire arc flash protection stickers that comply with 110.16 of NFPA 70E, several options are available. Firstly, consider online retailers. Brady Corporation, accessible at brady.com/na/safety/arc flash, offers a range of safety products, including arc flash labels. ESO Safety, found at associativity.com/arc flash signs labels, specializes in safety signs and labels relevant to arc flash hazards. Labelmaster, available at labelmaster.com/arc flash, provides a selection of labels, including those for arc flash protection. Hazard Lab, at hazardlab.com/arc flash stickers labels, focuses on arc flash stickers and labels designed for electrical safety. Grainger, a well-known supplier, offers arc flash labels and related safety products through Grainger.com/category/electrical/tools and supplies/electrical safety signs and labels/arc flash labels. Secondly, explore manufacturers. Wesco Arc, accessible via wescoarc.com/arc flash products, specializes in arc flash products, including labels and protective equipment. Safeguard Manufacturing, found at safeguardmanufacturing.com, provides safety solutions, including arc flash labels and related safety products. Bluevolt Safety, available at bluevoltsafety.com, offers safety training and products, potentially including arc flash labels. Electrical safety products, Spark.com, focuses on arc flash safety, offering labels and other protective measures. Panduit Corporation, at panduit.com/n/safety. HTML provides a range of safety solutions, including labeling systems suitable for arc flash warnings. Thirdly, investigate distributors. Newark Electronics, accessible at newark.com/arc flash labels, distributes electronic components and related safety products, including arc flash labels. DigiKey Electronics, at digikey.com/n/product/filter/safety signs and labels/798, provides a broad selection of electronic components and safety labels. Mouser Electronics, available at mouser.com/safety/arc flash labels/NX79, also offers electronic components and safety labels, including those for arc flash protection. When purchasing arc flash protection stickers, ensure compliance with NFPA 70E 110.16. This standard specifies the requirements for arc flash warning labels, including content format and placement. Always verify that the labels meet these requirements to maintain safety and regulatory compliance. Arc flash hazards are a serious concern in electrical work. Arc flash is a dangerous electrical explosion that can occur when a fault in an electrical system creates an arc. This arc generates intense heat, pressure waves, and potentially harmful radiation, posing severe risks to personnel and equipment. Understanding arc flash hazards is crucial for maintaining a safe working environment. NFPA 70E is a comprehensive standard for electrical safety in the workplace. This standard provides guidelines and requirements for protecting workers from electrical hazards, including arc flash and shock. Compliance with NFPA 70E is essential for ensuring a safe and compliant electrical work environment. 110.16 of NFPA 70E specifically addresses the requirements for arc flash warning labels. This section outlines the information that must be included in the labels, such as the nominal voltage, arc flash boundary, and personal protective equipment, or PPE, requirements. Adhering to these requirements is vital for effectively communicating arc flash hazards to personnel. The content of arc flash warning labels must include specific information to effectively communicate the potential hazards. This information typically includes the nominal voltage of the electrical equipment, which indicates the voltage level present in the system. The arc flash boundary, which is the distance at which a person could receive a second-degree burn from an arc flash, must also be clearly indicated. PPE requirements specify the appropriate protective equipment that must be worn when working within the arc flash boundary. The format of arc flash warning labels is also important for ensuring their effectiveness. The labels should be highly visible and easily readable, even in low light conditions. The use of appropriate colors and symbols helps to quickly convey the presence of an arc flash hazard. The label should be durable and resistant to environmental conditions to maintain their legibility over time. The placement of arc flash warning labels is critical for ensuring that personnel are aware of the potential hazards. Labels should be placed in conspicuous locations where they are easily visible to workers before they interact with electrical equipment. Common locations include electrical panels, switchgear, and other equipment where arc flash hazards may be present. Regular inspections and maintenance of arc flash warning labels are necessary to ensure their continued effectiveness. Labels should be inspected periodically to check for damage, fading, or illegibility. Damaged or illegible labels should be replaced promptly to maintain a clear and accurate warning of arc flash hazards. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is essential for protecting workers from arc flash hazards. PPE includes items such as arc-rated clothing, gloves, face shields, and helmets. The appropriate level of PPE required depends on the severity of the potential arc flash hazard, as determined by an arc flash risk assessment. Arc-rated clothing is designed to protect the wearer from the thermal effects of an arc flash. This clothing is made from materials that are resistant to ignition and melting, providing a barrier between the worker's skin and the intense heat of an arc flash. Arc-rated clothing is available in various levels of protection, depending on the potential arc flash hazard. Arc flash gloves are designed to protect the hands from electrical shock and burns. These gloves are made from insulating materials that provide a barrier between the worker's hands and energized equipment. Arc flash gloves are available in various voltage ratings, depending on the voltage level of the electrical equipment being worked on. Arc flash face shields and helmets are designed to protect the face and head from the intense heat, pressure, and projectiles generated by an arc flash. These shields and helmets are made from materials that are resistant to impact and heat, providing a barrier between the worker's face and head and the hazards of an arc flash. An arc flash risk assessment is a systematic process for evaluating the potential arc flash hazards in an electrical system. This assessment involves identifying potential arc flash sources, determining the severity of the potential arc flash hazard, and selecting appropriate protective measures. The results of an arc flash risk assessment are used to determine the appropriate level of PPE required for workers. Conducting an arc flash risk assessment involves several steps. Firstly, the electrical system must be thoroughly inspected to identify potential arc flash sources, such as electrical panels, switchgear, and other equipment. Secondly, the severity of the potential arc flash hazard must be determined, taking into account factors such as voltage level, fault current, and clearing time. Thirdly, appropriate protective measures must be selected, such as arc flash warning labels, PPE, and engineering controls. Engineering controls are measures that are implemented to reduce the likelihood or severity of an arc flash event. These controls can include things such as installing arc flash mitigation devices, improving system grounding, and implementing lockout-tagout procedures. Engineering controls are an important part of a comprehensive arc flash safety program. Arc flash mitigation devices are designed to reduce the duration and intensity of an arc flash event. These devices can include things such as current-limiting fuses, arc flash relays, and arc quenching equipment. Arc flash mitigation devices can significantly reduce the potential for injury and equipment damage in the event of an arc flash. System grounding is an important factor in arc flash safety. A properly grounded electrical system can help to reduce the severity of an arc flash event by providing a low impedance path for fault current to flow back to the source. This can help to reduce the voltage and duration of the arc flash. Lockout-tagout procedures are used to ensure that electrical equipment is de-energized before work is performed on it. These procedures involve isolating the equipment from its power source and applying locks and tags to prevent it from being accidentally re-energized. Lockout-tagout procedures are essential for preventing electrical shock and arc flash hazards. Electrical safety training is essential for ensuring that workers are aware of the potential electrical hazards in the workplace and how to protect themselves from those hazards. This training should cover topics such as arc flash awareness, PPE requirements, and lockout-tagout procedures. Regular electrical safety training can help to reduce the risk of electrical accidents and injuries. Arc flash awareness training should cover topics such as the causes and effects of arc flash, the importance of arc flash warning labels, and the proper use of PPE. Workers should be trained to recognize potential arc flash hazards and to take appropriate precautions to protect themselves. Proper use of PPE training should cover topics such as the selection, inspection, and maintenance of arc-rated clothing, gloves, face shields, and helmets. Workers should be trained to properly wear and care for their PPE to ensure that it provides the maximum level of protection. Lockout-tagout procedures training should cover topics such as the steps involved in isolating electrical equipment, applying locks and tags, and verifying that the equipment is de-energized. Workers should be trained to follow lockout-tagout procedures every time they work on electrical equipment to prevent accidental re-energization. Electrical safety audits are used to assess the effectiveness of an electrical safety program and to identify areas for improvement. These audits involve reviewing safety policies and procedures, inspecting electrical equipment, and interviewing workers. Regular electrical safety audits can help to ensure that the electrical safety program is effective and that workers are protected from electrical hazards. Continuous improvement of an electrical safety program is essential for maintaining a safe working environment. This involves regularly reviewing safety policies and procedures, updating training programs, and implementing new technologies and best practices. By continuously improving the electrical safety program, organizations can reduce the risk of electrical accidents and injuries and create a safer working environment for their employees. Safety policies and procedures should be reviewed regularly to ensure that they are up to date and effective. This review should take into account changes in regulations, industry best practices, and the organization's own experience. Outdated or ineffective policies and procedures should be revised or replaced to ensure that they provide the best possible protection for workers. Training programs should be updated regularly to reflect changes in regulations, industry best practices, and the organization's own experience. This includes providing training on new technologies, new PPE, and new safety procedures. By keeping training programs up to date, organizations can ensure that workers are properly trained and prepared to work safely. New technologies and best practices should be evaluated and implemented as appropriate. This includes technologies such as arc flash mitigation devices, new PPE, and new safety procedures. By implementing new technologies and best practices, organizations can improve the effectiveness of their electrical safety program and reduce the risk of electrical accidents and injuries. In conclusion, arc flash protection stickers are an essential component of electrical safety in the workplace. These stickers provide a visual warning of potential arc flash hazards and help to ensure that workers are aware of the risks involved in working with electrical equipment. By purchasing arc flash protection stickers from reputable sources and ensuring that they meet the requirements of NFPA 110.16, organizations can help to protect their workers from the dangers of arc flash. Remember to consult with qualified electrical safety professionals for guidance on implementing a comprehensive arc flash safety program.